Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of Realme 5s 4GB 128GB variant. Here we have the box. Let's see the box. So here they have mentioned the camera and the screen size and the weight, dimension, battery, power, everything. The manufacturer here. Apart from here Realme branding, this side also Realme branding, and at the bottom they mentioned it's a made in India product. The crystal purple color. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we have some user guide, I think. Okay, we'll keep it aside. We'll keep it here. Everything. Let's check inside what all things are there. Okay, it is a charger, USB cable adapter. Oh, it's not type C. And SIM ejector tool is there inside. And then we have an adapter. And that's it, nothing is there inside. Here we have the user guide and one silicone back cover. It's good. It's a bit black shade. Okay, we'll check the phone. Okay, here we have the phone. Let's open it. Okay, back side it looks like this. Yeah, it's look also very good. And also you can hold in one hand. You can see they have given it with the here we can see that it will come with an screen guard over the screen, and at the left side we have a volume up and down button and a sim ejector tool, and right side we have a power button. At the bottom we have a micro USB port and headphone jack and one speaker. At the top also we have one small micro speaker for the calls. Okay, let me boot inside. I feel it's taking more time. Okay, we'll skip this. Okay, more accept. Okay, we'll skip this. We'll set it up later. We'll update everything is yeah. The screen came. It's look, but I feel a lot of apps are there. We'll check it one by one. Yeah, this is it. I have set the face recognition and fingerprint. You can see here. I'll touch it. It will open immediately. Okay. Fingerprint is pretty good. Yeah, here we can see that. Just I will show my face. It will open directly. Face unlock also is very good. and it feels heavy because it has a 5000 mAh battery, not that much heavy like other 5000 mAh batteries, but it is 10 native. Thanks for watching.